Hello, grade twos. After yesterday practicing how to say which is the smallest or the biggest fraction, I hope you remember the number on the bottom, the denominator, means how many pieces it's broken into. So if a chocolate bar is broken into 10 pieces, the pieces are smaller than if it was only broken into 3, we'd get a bigger piece. Okay, we're going to do some more work with fractions today. And we are going to start with what's on the board. I hope you can see. So we're going to write a fraction for what's colored. Okay, so we have 2 pieces colored. So we're going to write 2 over. And how many pieces are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 2/5 of our pieces are colored. Now, can you give me the fraction for the pieces that aren't colored? How many aren't colored? 1, 2, 3. And how many pieces is there all together? The same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2/5 are colored, 3/5 are not colored. Okay? And we're going to talk about if I added the colored with the not colored, I would get the whole chocolate bar. Okay, so the whole thing is made up of the 2 colored ones and the 3 not colored ones. Okay, and I can actually write it like this. 2/5, so 2/5 plus my 3/5 equals 5/5. So if I add my 2 colored with my 3 parts that aren't colored, I get 5 parts. And if I have 5, out of all the 5 pieces, I have the whole thing. So 5/5 equals the whole, equals 1 whole. So I have the whole chocolate bar. Okay? So the colored and uncolored, we can actually add them together like 2 plus 3 more equals 5. And if I have 5/5, that means I have the whole thing. All 5 pieces I have, and that means I have 1 whole. Okay? Now, if you want to grab your textbook and open to page 56. Okay? Press pause if you need to. Grab your textbook. Okay, we're going to look at page 56, and we're going to look at question 3 at the top. Let's write our fraction for how many pieces are colored in the top one. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces are colored. Okay. 3 pieces out of how many pieces is there all together? Let's count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3/7. Now, how many triangles are not colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 out of the 7 triangles are not colored. If I add up the colored, 3/7, and I add them to the not colored, the 4, how many do I get? I now have 7/7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So now I have 7/7, and we don't leave 7/7. We call that 1 whole. Okay, so you have the whole thing. If you have 7 of the 7 pieces, you have the whole thing. Now let's look at this blue triangle that's broken up into smaller triangles. Let's write a fraction for how many are colored blue. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. And how many total is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5, 6 are colored blue. And how many are not colored? 1. 1/6 is not colored. If I add my colored and not colored together, so 5 plus 1, I get 6. 6. That means I have all 6 triangles out of the 6. And that's 1 whole. Okay, hope you can see that. Sorry, I'm kind of in the way. 1 whole. Okay? And that is what you guys are going to do in your book today, okay? over on page 57, there's a few more, question 7. You can take a look at these and find out what would be the other fraction that makes a hole there, the other color, okay? And then you're going to do exercise 45 for today. Have a great day.